Hey my loves, this is Sanjana. Welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another video. Well, if you're new here, then please consider to subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, I have created this gorgeous and very easy to do Durga Puja look. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So at first, I'm starting with moisturizing my face. Today I'm using the Plum Mattifying Green Tea Moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer that you love. And even if you have very oily skin, don't forget to apply a light moisturizer of your choice because it does help with the makeup a lot. And yes, with that, next up I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Pearl Pore Primer. It's a very nice silicone based primer. It will help up with my pores and also will make my skin smoother for the foundation to glide on better. Okay, once I'm done, I'm going with the PAC Spotlight foundation and oh my god, I'm obsessed with the foundation. You will see why, because I have a detailed review video of this foundation. I will put the link right in the description box below, also in the I button for you, in case you haven't watched that yet. And I'm applying the foundation in dotting motion on all over my face. And with the help of a flat top kabuki brush, I am blending the foundation out. You can see I am not swiping any product, I am just buffing it and blending it onto my face. Also जो भी brush पर लगा हुआ था उसको मैं ear पर लगा देती हूँ ताकि मेरे face से वो match कर जाए. And also I am tugging the foundation into my hairlines for a more natural finish. And yeah, don't forget your neck because that is very important. And also I did apply a little bit of more foundation on my eyelids because I have crazy dark circles and you can see it gave me full coverage. Next up I'm going with the PAC Spotlight Concealer. This in the shade 03 Sand and ये मेरे स्किन टोन से थोड़ा सा लाइट है. सो आज मैं ये यूज़ कर रही हूँ ताकि मुझे अलग से कोई आई शेडो प्राइमर या फिर हाईलाइटिंग कंसीलर नहीं यूज़ करना पड़े. यू कैन सी आई एम अप्लाइंग द फाउंडेशन कंसीलर वेयर आई वांट टू हाईलाइट माय फीचर्स. And I'm blending the concealer with the help of an angled dense brush. This brush blends the concealer so good and it provides me full coverage. You can see it's so good, so full coverage and I don't need any eyeshadow primer. एंड या आई नो मेरी आवाज़ सुनने में शायद आपको थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पर कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रही है. सो सॉरी फॉर दैट बट यू नो आई कांट हेल्प विद दैट, सो प्लीज़ बियर विथ मी. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई एम टेकिंग दिस मेबलिन फिट मी जिसमें मेरा रिफ्लेक्शन आ रहा है. इसका ये पाउडर फाउंडेशन, ये बोल तो रहा है कि पाउडर फाउंडेशन बट एक्चुअली में ये बहुत अच्छा सा लाइट वेट वाला पाउडर है. सो आई एम जस्ट डस्टिंग इट ऑल ओवर माई फेस विद अ वेरी लिटिल अमाउंट एंड विद अ वेरी लाइट हैंड just to set the whole face. And next up I'm taking this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer and I'm just brushing. By the way, this is in the shade Top Tom and it matches me perfectly. It's a very nice kind of grey brownish shade, so it doesn't look too dark or too light for me. And I brush down my brows at first and then I'm just filling in the sparse areas and I'm just brushing up them to make them look more natural. You can see clearly the difference. And next step I'm taking the e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel. This in the shade dark brown and oh my god, I absolutely love this product. This doesn't do much but it actually do like what your eyebrows need. It keeps them on fleek and set for the whole day. Next I'm taking the Mars Trendsetter Translucent Powder. I'm just baking under my eyes and in case any eyeshadow fallout happens. And for my eyeshadow I'm taking this Nika K Mocha Mix eyeshadow palette. You can see it's a very versatile palette. बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर शेड है. And at first I'm taking the light transition shade and applying it just above my crease line on all over my lid. And I'm dipping again into the same shade and just connecting it with the outer corner to make a very natural looking wing. And next up I'm taking the dark terracotta shade and I will apply this right on my outer corner, below and above my crease line, like all over my crease. You can see it will create a nice dimension. Okay, after blending it a little bit, I'm taking the nude shade. I think it's called that, nude है color. तो मैं इसे एक फ्लैट शेडर ब्रश की हेल्प से बस अपने आईलिड पर लगा रही हूँ जहाँ की एरिया खाली है. And it's giving it a nice ombre look and I'm going to keep the look matte today. And with the help of a fluffy brush I'm just blending all the shades together. I'm not merging it, but I'm just blending it in the outer corner to give it more blended and natural look. And next up, I'm taking the Stay Quirky Badass Kajal. This is in the shade Black Ace. It's a very nice kajal within a budget, and I'm just applying it with a very thin line on my upper lash line, and you can see that I have created a very small wing, almost an invisible wala, and don't worry, we will elongate with a angle small brush. You can see I'm just smudging it, not all over, but smudging it a little bit and elongating the wing. I know बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ आ रहा होगा, but I'm sorry, I can't help you with that. And I'm also applying the kajal on my lower and upper lash line, and be careful, don't hurt yourself. And I'm also smudging the kajal a little bit on my lower lash line with the same brush. Okay, next up I'm taking the same shade that I applied at first, and the transition shade, and I'm applying it with a fluffy brush on my lower lash line, and I'm just dusting off all the excess powder that I applied before. Next up is mascara. Today I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation. क्या हुआ है मुझे, ये एक hyper curl mascara, and I'm just wiggling the wand outside to give my eyes a more uplifted look. And after that, I just put on some falsies off camera. You can either skip that, or if you want, you can also do that. And next step is bronzing. For that, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. And oh my god, you can see I have already hit the pan. This palette is so good. And I'm just lightly bronzing my face today. I'm not contouring it. I just love the palette. You can see the pigmentation is bomb, and it's looking so natural. And next up, for my blush, I am applying the Sugar Mini Blush in the shade Salmon Superstar, and I am applying the blush right on my cheekbones. I do this when I want a more uplifted look, and when I want the fuller look, I do apply it on the apples of my cheek. You can do it up to your preference. And I am also applying a little bit of blush on my nose to give it a more cute look. And I'm taking the Swiss Beauty highlighter. It's a very nice highlighter. It's very affordable, and you can see the glow. And I'm applying this on the higher points of my face where I want it to be highlighted. And I'm taking the same highlighter with a small dome shaped brush to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. And next step is to set the whole thing on our face, and for that I'm using the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. It's a very nice and affordable makeup fixer. All the products that I will be using today is very affordable. And for lipstick, I'm taking the NY Bay, it's Shakti liquid lipstick in the shade Feral Flamingo. It's a very nice cool toned red. At first I'm lining the lips. I'm not overlining it, I'm just following my natural lip line, and then I'm applying the lipstick all over my lips.